let's take a look at why oatmeal could be bad for your health. Oatmeal is often hailed as a heart-healthy superfood that lowers cholesterol, but there are compelling reasons to reconsider its place in your diet. While oatmeal does contain beneficial vitamins and minerals, these nutrients are often rendered ineffective due to the presence of a protein called avenin. Avenin can cause inflammation, exacerbating autoimmune conditions, acne, and joint pain. In some individuals with celiac disease, avenin triggers the same immune response that is activated by gluten. Additionally, oatmeal's high carbohydrate content can lead to significant spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, promoting glycation, which damages cells, and fat storage in the liver and pancreas. Glycation is a process where sugars attach to proteins or fats, causing them to become sticky and form harmful compounds that can damage cells and tissues. Oatmeal, especially instant varieties, has a high glycemic index. Foods with a high GI cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to increased hunger and potential weight gain. Over time, these blood sugar spikes can contribute to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Oatmeal also contains phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that binds to essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, reducing their absorption. High levels of phytic acid can lead to mineral deficiencies, especially if oatmeal is a regular part of your diet. Gluten contamination and glyphosate residues. Although oats are naturally gluten-free, they are often processed in facilities that handle wheat, barley, and rye, leading to cross-contamination. This can cause significant health issues for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. One of the most concerning aspects of modern oatmeal production is the use of glyphosate, a herbicide commonly known as Roundup. Glyphosate is used by some growers as a drying agent before harvest, which can leave residues on the oats. According to the Environmental Working Group, many oat products contain glyphosate residues, sometimes at levels considered unsafe for children. The International Agency for Research on Cancer has classified glyphosate as a probable human carcinogen, raising concerns about its long-term health effects. Many commercially available oatmeals are heavily processed and contain added sugars and artificial flavors. These additives can negate the health benefits of oatmeal and contribute to obesity, heart disease, and other health issues. Lack of satiety and colon irritation. Oatmeal may leave you feeling hungry again within just 2 hours due to its lack of satiety and hunger-fighting properties. Oats are high in plant fiber, which can also irritate the colon. Better alternatives. If you enjoy oatmeal but want to avoid its potential downsides, consider these healthier alternatives. Quinoa, a nutrient-dense grain high in protein and containing all 9 essential amino acids. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Buckwheat, gluten-free and packed with nutrients, making it a great substitute for oats. In conclusion, while oatmeal can be part of a balanced diet, it's important to be aware of its potential health risks. From its high glycemic index and phytic acid content to gluten contamination and glyphosate residues, there are several reasons to limit your oatmeal consumption or seek healthier alternatives. Always opt for organic, non-GMO oatmeal to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals and read labels carefully to avoid processed and sugar-laden varieties. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker and watch our other videos for more health tips and remedies.